Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete all Instagram messages at once. If you are getting in trouble by deleting all message one by one, then this video is of course for you. So you guys have to just tap on the top right corner of inbox button, and here you guys can be able to see there is no any of the option which is like selecting multiple chats to delete. You guys can individually delete, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna tell you the option by which you can delete all account at once. So you guys have to just go back and go to your profile. Here you guys have to just tap on the top right corner of options, which is horizontal lines. You guys have to just tap on setting and privacy, and here you have to just scroll down, and here you guys have to find an option which is account type and tools. You guys have to just tap on it. So after tapping on it, here you guys have to just simply switch to professional account. So after tapping on it, click on continue, 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 and here you guys have to select any of the category. It doesn't matter, we just have to create a creator account. So just tap on done, and here you have to simply tap on the top left corner of cross icon, and here you have to just simply go back and back to inbox. And after coming back to messenger, here you guys have to simply tap on this option, and here you guys can be able to select multiple accounts at once. So you guys have to simply select those chats which you want to delete at once. After selecting those chats, you guys have to simply tap on the delete button which is on below right corner, and tap on delete and Yahoo. In this way, you guys can be easily delete all Instagram account at once. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.